Alright, this is car number 2 here at the IKEA in College Park, Maryland. Here's EPCO win, because when you see them, you really don't.
I thought those were square atoms.
Same thing. Basically. Lantern doesn't light up.
Ooh, this is a big elevator, too.
Well, we're gonna have a good motor. Alright, let's listen.
One. Boom! What was that?
Yikes. Another death trap.
Not.
Cab view. Very basic elevator. Capacity 10,000 pounds, just like car number 1.
Isn't this a Schindler elevator?
Yes, because IKEA has a contract with Schindler.
Except this one has square atoms. Most IKEAs usually have
Innovation decorator.
Okay.
Alright. There it goes. And that's it.
Alright.